there are so many misconceptions that motorists have in our industry, whether it be about servicing or service intervals or repairs, or there are so many things that we struggle with day in and day out, and we need to be educating consumers about those things. And if we do it in an online capacity, we tell the story once and then it's evergreen. Then thousands of people over the fullness of time can consume that, and it helps not only educate customers, but it helps qualify customers. You know what I mean? Like, most of the workshops that are going to be listening to this, they don't want the shopper docket customers who want the cheapest service. That's not what we're targeting. And by doing what we call that top of funnel effort, by vetting those customers and saying, here's some education, does this fit with what you're seeking? Yeah. It helps, it stops us from wasting time and helps us qualify new customers. So it's important that we do that marketing and we're out there for new customers. But on the other side of the coin, we need to be able to provide solutions for our existing customers.